The second pattern that we are going to create is the peacock pattern. Let's start by creating an ellipse with the ellipse tool, holding Shift to make it even. Let's change the color with the eyedropper tool. With the pen tool, we are going to create two triangles. We click right, transform, rotate, (180) and copy. We drag the second triangle to the bottom. When you have smart guides on, you can see these little pink lines that help us create a perfect symmetrical shape. To make sure that it's all centered, we click here, horizontal align center. Now we merge all three shapes into one shape with the Pathfinder tool. Click Shape Modes, Unite. Let's go to Effects, Warp and Bulge. Let's leave it on 50%. We are creating this shape, so now I will create the black one and then the yellow one. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, right click, transform and scale. 120 for the beginning. Turn the fill color to black. Here or with the eyedropper tool. Let's make it even bigger. Maybe 110 right now. And the final yellow shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, right click, transform, scale. 140. To change the bulge, we can go to Properties, Edit Effect. I think I will make it 70%. The same with other two shapes. To create a second shape, I copy and paste at the front. Drag it right here. And what we have to do is bulge -70% and hit OK. What we did was the exact opposite of this shape. Let's bring it closer together. Drag it to the swatches panel, double click. We are going to stay with the grid, but make the cells smaller, both the width and the height. Done. Let's test out the pattern. I'm going to create a rectangle, let's say 1000 by 1000 pixels. Transform scale, transform patterns, and maybe 70%. This this is the final result. Now we're going to move on to creating the third pattern. It is called flower bed pattern.